So we have to group all this layer together. I have to come to the layer panel here, then I will scroll down. So I'm trying to scroll down. Then I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and select the last rectangle. Then I'll press Ctrl T to make a transform. So Ctrl minus, and then I'll drag this to the top a little bit. Then Enter key on my keyboard. Now I have to locate this layer right here. So this one here. Then I'll make a new layer, and I have to come to the toolbar and right click on the shape style, and then I'll choose custom shape. Now here I'll come here and choose my custom format. I'm going to make use of this, and I'll draw this type of shape here. Then I'll drag it here. This is where I need it, right here. So I need to make it more bold. Ctrl T to open the transform tools, then Shift key and alternative key and drag to make it more bold. Okay. So now I will type in, so before that I'll make a new layer here. Then I'll select my type tools now. Then Control plus, and I'll make a type. So here is going to be home for sale. So Ctrl A to open it, to highlight the whole text, and then I'll come here and increase the font size to, let me try 60. That's much. Let me try 48. So home for sale, enter. Then Ctrl A to highlight. I'm going to change the format. Then we can increase the font size more to be, let's try and see 60. And I'll select my move tool now. Now we can drag into the center of the circle. Or better still, we can come to the layer panel here. We can come to the layer panel here and press Ctrl key down and select the shape. Then we come to the home tab here and make sure that we align to vertical, align horizontal center and align vertical center. So this will move the text into the center of the custom shape. So we are done with that part. Ctrl+0 to zoom in, and Ctrl minus. Alright, so from the point here, we need to locate the background layer, which is this. Then we go back to our type tool. So I'm going to change the color from this angle here. I'll change it to this green, and I'm click on OK. Now here we make a type. Are you still looking for your dream home? So Ctrl A to highlight every text. Okay, so let me just click on my move tool to accept the text so we can position it in the right way. So I'll press Ctrl A to select. Then I will make sure I align the text to align left edge. Right. Then I'll come back to my select and I'll choose the select. Alright, so I have to make a duplicate of this text here. Or better still, I will draw another text frame right here. Then I'll change the color to dark green. I'll click on OK. Then I will reduce the font size to, let me try 30. Then I'll change the format of this type to left align text. So I will come back to my text documents. I will select some text here and paste it right there. So Ctrl Z to make a copy. Then I'll come back to the Photoshop workspace and I'm going to paste it right here. Ctrl A and then Ctrl V to make a paste. Alright, so it's here. So we can just make a such short sentence like that, and we'll position it right here. Now I need another text right here, so it's going to be type 2 then colors. So it's going to be all in capital. So I'm going to put my phone number there. So I'll press Ctrl A to highlight. Now I'll have to change the font type. So I'm going to make use of this type of font. Alright, so I will increase the font size from the home tab here. That's much. It's much. And I'll click on my move tool to accept. So the phone number is going to be here, right here. And I need some custom shape here, like a finger. So I'll have to come to my custom shape, and I'll select another custom shape right here. So I need a point finger. A point finger. Let's see if we can have it in Photoshop, or an arrow. Okay, we have it right here. Then I'll just draw it here. So colors. So the finger is going to indicate that. So colors. So we have just to take it this, and I'll make it a little bit close to the finger. Very good. All right, so we have done with this part also. So let's move on with our